guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to talk about the must-have accessory for all you content creators out there, the auto selfie stick tripod. This innovative gadget is a game changer when it comes to capturing stunning selfies and videos with its built-in tripod. You can easily set up on any flat surface and capture stable footage without any shaking movement. One of the best things about this selfie stick tripod is its automatic take-away feature. It comes equipped with a Bluetooth remote. You can use this as remote control this guys that can allow you take the photos and videos from any distance. So no more awkward arms stretching or trying to find someone to take your picture or anyone. Another great this guy's feature is compatibility with various devices, whether you have an iPhone or Android phones. This selfie stick tripod can accommodate any devices up to 3.3 or 3.5 inches wide. Plus, it's so easy. It's super easy to use. Just connect your phone to the Bluetooth remote control. Use this one, guys. You're a good to go. But that's not all. This selfie stick tripod has also 360 degrees rotation function, allowing you to capture photos and videos for any angle. And if you are someone who loves to travel, then you love its compact design that make it easy to carry around wherever you go. Overall, the auto selfie stick tripod is a must-have accessory for anyone who loves taking selfies or creating contents on the go. It's automatically features compatibility with various devices and 300 degrees rotation function. It and it makes a versatile tool that you'll use time and anytime again. So if you are looking for a reliable and convenient way to capture stunning selfies and videos, then I highly recommended getting yourself an auto selfie stick tripod. This tripod is very affordable prices. I brought this in Temu. If you're a creator, you must have this one, guys. Very affordable prices. That's all my videos today for today. I hope you like my videos and just give me a thumbs up, comments, and see you to my next videos. Thanks, guys.